Nowadays, the 10 keyless keyboard is preferred by a lot of gamers because of its compact build factor and for the clicky sound of the keys and the responsive experience. If you're one of those who's looking for the best TKL mechanical gaming keyboard, make sure you watch today's video. So without further delay, let's get started.
On Tech Insight, we offer the perfect buyer's guide for all kinds of tech products, including PCs, laptops, accessories, and any other tech gadgets you can think of. Our specialized team of tech experts research and analyze the market and create a list based on pricing, quality, features, and user feedback, ensuring you get the absolute best in each category. To find the best suited products according to your specific needs and preferences, watch the full video and look for the purchase links in the description.
We all know G.Skill is a well-known computer accessories producer for several years, including RAM, mice, keyboards, etc. This time they came up with a budget-friendly TKL gaming keyboard with a minimalistic look for the gaming enthusiast. It is none other than the KM360. It comes with two color variants, black and white. You can choose the color according to your PC setup. The KM360 is a mechanical keyboard having Cherry MX red switches. The clicky sound of this keyboard in gaming sessions will give you the inner satisfaction of a mechanical keyboard despite being a cheaper one. It doesn't come with RGB, but each key is individually lit, so you won't miss any click in a dark environment. The keys are spaced nicely and their shape is contoured, so you'll feel comfortable pressing each key. On the back part, it has a kickstand, which helps the keyboard elevate more for convenient typing. The KM360 seems like a basic gaming keyboard, but it does all the basic things that other expensive keyboards are capable of. So if you want a good gaming keyboard under $100, then the G.Skill KM360 is the best option for you. Next up, we have the Ducky One 2 Mini RGB, the best 60% TKL gaming keyboard on our list with onboard RGB lighting. It offers plenty of customization, high quality, nice touches in one good-looking package. At its price point, the Ducky One 2 is considered a premium keyboard, but it's completely worth the price. The Ducky One 2 Mini has a classic 60% design with only the essentials. But with its function layer system, you don't really lose all that much functionality when compared to a full-fledged TKL. The case is made entirely of plastic with a duotone black top and white backing. The plastic and backplate are thick enough to make the Ducky quite rigid with little to no flex. The white backplate really makes the RGB pop out of the keyboard, which is further enhanced by Ducky's great RGB modes, making it one of the best-looking keyboards on the market. Moreover, the Cherry MX brown switches completely give you control over any game you'll play. Overall, the Ducky One 2 Mini is an excellent board with very few competitors. It packs a ton of features and quality into a small package, making it a fantastic board to consider. If you want to change your keycaps frequently on your keyboard with a lot of customizable options, then you should look no further than the Glorious Custom Gaming Keyboard. The Glorious GMMK has a highly customizable and minimal design with no branding or badging on any surface of the keyboard. The full aluminum metal top plate and ABS plastic bottom plate makes the build perfect for intensive gaming. Being the first hot swap RGB gaming keyboard, GMMK features hot swap switch sockets so you can plug in and out switches as your DIY preference. You do not need to solder for hours. This is a standard now keyboard, which means it's going to be compatible with the majority of custom keycaps. This keyboard features an impressive 16.8 million RGB per key feature. Fully customizable with MMK software, and major RGB patterns can be set from the keyboard hotkeys directly without software. GMMK comes with pre-installed Gate-A-Run brown tactile mechanical switches. You can swap mechanical, clicky, linear or tactile mechanical switches with this board. To sum up, the glorious GMMK is one of the best mechanical TKL keyboards you can get. The ability to customize your switches and keycaps without any hassle lets you match the color scheme of your PC setup. Moving on to the next one, we have the Razer Huntsman Tournament Edition, an RGB TKL gaming keyboard with best build quality on the market right now. This keyboard offers sheer quality inside and outside. Talking about the build quality, this keyboard is fully metal build. It is covered with a matte aluminum top frame for increased structural integrity. A 10-keyless design with a detachable USB-C cable provides a portable form factor for on-the-go gamers. While using this keyboard, you'll feel a smooth typing experience thanks to the Razer lineal optical switch technology that uses optical beam-based actuation, registering key presses at the speed of light. With the onboard Razer Chroma, you can enjoy ultimate personalization and gaming immersion. This also helps fully sync with popular games, Razer hardware, Philips Hue, and gear from 30+ companies, as well as RGB backlighting with 16.8 million colors. Razer has been using optical switches for a while now in the Huntsman with the purple optical switch. The idea is simple. It feels like a traditional mechanical keyboard switch, but instead of a metal contact. The keycaps are made of textured, high-grade PBD for more durable and textured finish, making sure it's less prone to long-term grime buildup. The Razer Huntsman Tournament Edition might seem a bit expensive, but the fast key switches, a removable cable, and travel-friendly design could propel this keyboard to a must-have peripheral for aspiring pro gamers. Finally, at number 1, we have the Logitech G Pro X Mechanical RGB Keyboard, a 10-keyless keyboard that is made for the pro gamers. Logitech has been a renowned name in making computer peripherals. Similarly, when pro gamers asked for a TKL gaming keyboard, they listened. With a compact design and user-swappable pro-grade switches, Pro X is pro-tested, tournament assured, and built to compete with the best. On the surface, the Logitech G Pro X is quite similar to the Logitech G Pro keyboard. It's a 10-keyless peripheral with a plain black chassis and full RGB lighting. There are no extra keys, just 2 buttons up top for a game mode and brightness. There's also a detachable USB cable, making the device easier to transport. Things don't really get interesting until you pry off the keycaps and the key switches underneath, because the G Pro X is Logitech's first keyboard with swappable key switches, meaning you can customize the feel to each one of the device's 87 keys. The Pro X comes with your choice of Logitech's clicky blue GX switches, which can be further swappable with Cherry MX switches. Since the G Pro X targets esports audience, it features a removable micro-USB power cord and a 10-keyless design for easy travel. That's all pretty similar to the original G Pro model. Like all of Logitech's gaming gear, the Pro X keyboard uses the company's G-Hub configuration software to map keys and customize RGB lighting. This keyboard also allows you to save a static lighting design to onboard memory for use on tournaments. To sum up, the G Pro X Mechanical RGB is a novel product from Logitech. You'll find all the customization options along with premium software support for any type of tweaks. As a gaming enthusiast, you'll love all the features that come with this keyboard. Thank you for watching the video. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon for instant notifications so that you never miss a video from Tech Inside.